Hello my beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys click the red subscribe button to join the family. Today I'm going to share with you guys all around how to reduce and get rid of acne scarring naturally. Today I am going to share with you the Vanish Starter Kit, and I'm actually partnering up with Vanish. I want to be 100% transparent. Just hear me out. I believe in these products so much. I honestly agree with everything about this company. The CEO is Daisy, and she's the founder of Vanish, and she actually struggled with acne for many years, cystic acne, all of the good stuff that unfortunately we have to go through, some of us. And she actually got picked on through school, and she's tried every single product and nothing would work with her. And I know for me, I can totally relate. I started getting acne when I was a teenager. I hated it. I felt so insecure, so uncomfortable with my skin. Girls would pick on me and call me ugly and point out my acne and say how I had disgusting skin. When I stumbled upon Vanish, I was super excited. I will have the link to the Vanish Starter Kit that I use in the video down below, so definitely check it out. You can see all the other people's testimonials when it comes to these products and their before and afters, because it is bomb. All their products are full of natural ingredients. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. And to be point blank and honest, if I didn't like the products and they weren't working, I would just not work with them. But let's just jump into the video. This right here is the Vanish Starter Kit 2.0. Vanish is known as a microneedle process to get rid of acne scars. These are all the products that it comes with. It comes with the pumpkin enzyme mask, activated charcoal mask, vitamin C cream, vitamin C beauty elixir, Vanish oil, and of course it comes with the banisher. Before I start microneedling my face, I'm going to start off with a mask. So you can either go for the pumpkin enzyme mask or the activated charcoal mask. They each are both amazing for the skin. For today, I decided to go with the pumpkin enzyme mask. It is made out of real pumpkin, and it's packed of AHAs and BHAs, which is a natural exfoliator for the skin that's really going to help get rid of dead skin cells and improve the texture of your skin, giving you healthier, younger looking skin. So I just applied it all over my face, of course avoiding the eyes, and I let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes before I washed it off. So when you do apply this to your skin, you may feel a tingle for the first minute or two, but it is completely normal. This mask is just really great for congested, acne-prone skin, which, hello, is me. I absolutely love this mask, and your face is going to feel so smooth and clean after you remove it off. Also, you can use the mask 1 to 2 times per week. I also love using the activated charcoal clay mask, which can be used 1 to 2 times per week. This mask is a really great mask to deep clean your pores. It's really going to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, control your blemishes, and your oil production. So this is another great mask as well to use before the banisher, and I usually switch back and forth between the two when going in with the banisher. For the activated charcoal mask, all you have to do is mix it with a 1-to-1 ratio with either water or witch hazel, and then you're just going to apply it all over and let it sit for 10 minutes before you go ahead and rinse it off. Now, this tool right here is the banisher, and this is the key to battling acne scars. It has gold-plated titanium bristles, which is actually amazing because the 24K gold is actually antibacterial and is known to really boost collagen. All you're gonna do is press on the spots where you have an acne scar 4 to 5 times, wiggle it to 90 degrees each time you press on it. It is not painful. You're just going to feel a little prickle, and that's it. And you could use this once a week. One thing, however, do not go over any active acne or any open wounds. So this is only good for any scarring that you have and dark spots on your skin. So I just went on those areas where I didn't have a pimple anymore. And this is the key to really helping fade those acne scars. And you're just gonna notice such a big difference with this. What's really cool too about this is it comes with a little lid, so each time that you use the banisher, you have to fill up the lid to the line that it states, and you're just going to fill it with alcohol. Then just put the banisher back into the lid, twist it, and let it soak for a few minutes to make sure that you're sanitizing each time that you use the microneedle. So you really want to make sure that you're keeping up with sanitizing it as well, because you don't want to have any dirt or bacteria building up on it. To follow up the microneedling process, I use the Vanish Oil, and this is just a vitamin C serum. So it's made with the most potent form of vitamin C, and it is proven to really improve like the overall radiance and texture of your skin. And it really also helps to reduce the look of your acne scars and hyperpigmentation faster. Just put a few drops onto my hands and rub it all over and kind of pat it into the skin so my skin really soaks it all up. Another product I really love to use is the Vitamin C Beauty Elixir, and you can actually use this daily in the morning or nighttime. So I'll just spray it throughout my day to add some moisture back into my skin and just awaken dull, tired looking skin. This is super refreshing and is literally one of my new skincare staples that I cannot live without. And if you guys are curious, this is the cream that I use every single day. So this is the vitamin C cream. You use it daily once or twice a day. I typically use it every morning and nighttime, and it's concentrated with 20% vitamin C. It is filled with collagen boosting and hyperpigmentation fading antioxidants. So all these products are really going to help your overall skin and overall get rid of any acne scars that you have. And I definitely recommend checking any of these products out or just buying the whole kit like I have. I have noticed such a big difference in the overall texture of my skin, and the microneedling has definitely helped to fade my old existing acne scars. And I really did notice as well that the masks have really helped to get rid of any pimples I have and kind of help control my acne. They have been literally my holy grails, and I use them every single week without fail. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you guys liked it. Don't forget to check out Vanish. I will have the link down below for you guys to go pick it up. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button so you're a part of my YouTube family. I would love for you guys to join. I upload every Thursdays and Sundays now, so make sure to come back on my channel then and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!